Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano. This is day number 2 for Traumerei. And today we're going to start on beat 2 of measure 2 right here. And we're going to just go to here. So let's get started with harmony. In this little moment in measure 2, we've got that B flat chord that I mentioned before. Then we're going to walk down the scale. This is what's called a passing tone. B flat and D still in that B flat chord. Beat 1 of the next measure, we're going back to our F chord harmony. And this is an F chord in second inversion, which we sometimes call a 1-6-4 chord, referring to the intervals of the bass, a sixth and a fourth. So let's go over the right hand notes and fingering first, and rhythm. Again, we have an upper voice and a lower voice. This time the lower voice is just one note. Top voice, bottom voice, held F. Notice there's a tie again. 3 beats plus 1 beats. We're going to be holding that thumb for 4 beats in total. 2 fingerings. Fingering 1, lift off, 4, 3, 2, 5, lift, or 5-1, 5, 3, 2, 5, lift. Left hand, we've come up here. We're holding that F. B flat did not have a tie, so we're just going to tie this. If your hands are large enough, just keep the 3 there, and the fingering's going to be 1, 2, 1. We need to hold that F. If this feels like it's too large of an interval, do a silent switch to 4 here. Scoot your thumb over, 1, 2, and then 1, 5. So 2 options there. Let's put the hands together. And in this, I'll do rhythm all together because the hands are moving together. So we've got B4, 2, and 3, and we're going to be holding those bottom voices, 4, and 1, and lift. Dynamics, we're at our highest point. Again, the top note is going to be a little bit higher because it's the melody, and we're going to balance that. However, in this case, the middle voice is going to match that in loudness. So if we're at, let's say, mezzo forte, this is going to be maybe just slightly softer than mezzo forte. We have that little harmonic duet there. The other thing I want to introduce you to in this video, because we don't have as much material as video 1, is the idea of the notes decaying. So when you press a note on the piano, it's pressed with a hammer, and then as soon as you press it, it dies out. So when we have long notes, we want to listen to how that note is dying out and see if we can match the next note underneath it in volume. It creates a more seamless melodic line. And so we're going to come in a little bit softer and then grow to the next beat 1 with a little mini crescendo. Come in softer. Do you hear how that works? So now let's go over the pedaling. We can either pedal 2 times or 3 times. Here's the 2 pedal version. It's going to be on the B flat like we did before. Then hold it. Play pedal off. Or you can also pedal on beat 4 as well. So that would have 3 pedals. That would sound like this. Play pedal, play pedal. Try those ideas, see what works for you, and I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your support of this channel. If you know anyone who likes this detailed style of teaching, please feel free to share or mention at Olympia Piano in your social media. Help spread the word about the channel. I always love to know where you're from, so please leave that for me in the comments, and I will see you for day 3. Thanks again for watching.